Hey there! In this quick demo, I'll walk you through how to export product attributes and their values from Odoo to your WooCommerce store using Ksolves WooCommerce Connector module. Let's dive in. First, head over to the home menu and click on WooCommerce. Here, you'll see we already have 120 attributes available, but let's add a new one to see the full process. Go to Sales, then Configuration, and then Attributes. Click New. Now enter the attribute name, choose the display type, and add the values. Once you're done, hit Save. Simple, right? Now let's sync it with WooCommerce. Click Push to WooCommerce. Choose the instance you want to export to, click Select, and then Execute. That's it, your attributes and values are now synced. To verify, go to your WooCommerce dashboard. On the left menu, click Products and then Attributes. Scroll down and you'll see the new attribute, April 14th, along with its values. Want to export all attributes from Odoo to WooCommerce? Here's how. Go to WooCommerce, select the instance, choose the operation. Odoo to WooCommerce, export operation, export attributes. Then click Execute. Now go to Processes, Queue Jobs, and you'll see all the attributes that are starting to export. Once the queue is complete, you're all set. And that's how easy it is to sync attributes between Odoo and WooCommerce using the Ksolves connector. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.